So how do you feel the first time mo sa Boracay?
Excited because I'm a Bora virgin. I'd like to try it out.
Anong Boracay Virgin?
It means I haven't been there.
Sana nung pakiramdam mo na ilang beses ka na sa Boracay?
I'm excited para sa inyo.
Akala ko Burawan pupuntahan ko eh. Quezon lang yun eh.
Ang gusto ko ng
Hindi ko na-expect na sasakay yung aeroplano eh.
We're going to fly na going to Boracay.
tulog ka na.
Great day everyone. This is the Bogs Master, Ralph Ernest Francia.
Yan.
Ang plano yan. Shit, first time ko.
Ito lang pala. Nasa top na kami. Hello. We are on board with boarding pass. This is our ticket papunta ng Boracay.
AirAsia, Captain Nelson Singh,
Guys,
First
nakalapag na po
Officer
tayo sa
Romel Cruz, and the rest
Boracay,
of the crew members.
Katiklan. So,
We would like to say thank you for flying with
ready
us.
na
For
para sa
passengers
adventure,
traveling with
ready na para
infants
sa
and were given
travel,
infant
ready na
life vests,
para
please return them to
mag-enjoy.
the cabin crew constantly.
Chai, how was your first ever flight?
Masaya. Para ka lang palang nasa rides. May pag ganun-ganun.
It's good. It's good. Although it's a bit dizzy. I feel a bit dizzy, but it's good.
Oh, sir, anong pakiramdam mo na nandito ka na ngayon?
Alam niyo, thank you kay Voice Master at nakarating po ako dito. Hindi po sa kanya, first time ko po talaga sumakay ng aeroplano. First time ko nakarating sa Boracay. Masaya po talaga. Salamat po, Voice Master.
Anong reaction ng mga magulang mo na?
Ay, syempre, masayang-masaya yung nanay tatay ko. Sabi niya, buti ka pa nakasakay ng aeroplano samantala ako hindi pa. Salamat, Voice Master.